Number 3 is a little bit different. Given C equals, let Y be the value where Y is greater than 4, where Y is an element of integers. Right? So C equals, let Y be the value where Y is greater than 4, where Y is an element of integer.
The 0, why is it there instead of the middle?
You need the 0 because the 0 is going to be your guiding line to where your y-axis must fall. Notice I'm trying to put the 0 and the y on top of each other.
Oh, sir, I may ask you why you put the arrow there, but no, you don't answer my question.
Yeah.
Sarah, what's the number way by 6? What's that?
It's not a number.
How will we put the 0 on top of
What's that?
It is y, and I have it circled. Meaning, I'm dealing with the variable y. Anytime the variable is not x, you must have it, that variable in a circle out there. So if this were z, then there would be a z out there.
So that means you can put any letter on the statement, right? But then you need to circle.
No, not any letter. It has
Except
either x, y, or z.
So if it has an X, we still need to write the X and
No,
circle it?
x is the only one that doesn't take a symbol because it is understood we're dealing with x. Any
okay.
letter, either y or z, you have to indicate it. All right? I will never give you one with z, at least not in high school.
Repeat that again, boss, please.
Huh?
Can you repeat it again?
She's asking why did I put the y out here. I told her once it is a letter that is not x, you must ensure that you are representing that I'm not working with x. The only 3 letters that can be out there are x, y, and z. But once it is not x, you must indicate which of the other 2 it is. All right?
Okay, thanks.
Sir,
Yes.
so where will you put the Z that is there?
Huh?
Where will you put the Z that is at the end?
This z is for integer. That z is for integer.
sir, so as long as it's integers, you don't use it there.
What do you mean?
I mean, like how Amina said, you don't put
No,
it.
because what I mean by x, y, and z, notice x, 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 y, y, y. When I'm talking about the letters x, y, and z, it means if z were all throughout, right? Because these are actually planes of existence. X is just listen, x is horizontal, y is vertical, and there is another one at the front here that is known as z coordinates that pops forward. That's why it's x, y, and z. But we're not dealing with z, we only deal with x and y. Okay? It's not this z. This means integer. These x and y means dimensions, means planes. All right? We'll get into that discussion when we meet on Friday. All right, let's continue. Yes? So,
Sorry, so when it's greater than, it goes to the right?
yes, so we meet at 4, right? 4, and as you said, it's going to the right. I do not shade because the 4 is not included. Bigger than 4, greater than 4 means not including 4. All right, so what numbers are bigger than 4?
5, 6,
5 and 6, sir.
It has to continue. 5, 6, 7, 8,
Then and 1.
etc.
Because integers do not come to an end. Integers don't stop. Right? My board may stop, but the integers don't stop. See now. Whew, it's not done yet.
Sir, you don't include the 4 for the C?
Then no, because when it's greater, it's not included.
Because greater is not included.
Okay, then here, sorry.
Right? Greater than 4. See this symbol here? Greater. It looks like a G.
Sir, can you kindly take the camera up? Like you, yes. There, thank you.
All right. Now, this is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. When the variable is x, the line is vertical. When the variable is y, the line is horizontal. But it is not included, so will it be a broken line or a solid line?
Broken line?
sir.
Huh?
Broken line?
Line, sir.
Broken line. Straight through 4. And I will shade everything bigger than 4, which means 5, 6, and everything above that line. Everything above that line. Question.
Sir, so every time we shade, right? We shade towards what they're asking us, which will be greater of. So we are just
Yes.
shade that part.
Yes, whatever we want, that's what we shade.
Sir, but what
Yes.
we shade isn't the answer.
Yes, what we shade is the answer.